Poor Wyatt was rescued by Alaina Rosenblatt. Someone sent me this video of this poor dog with what looks to be a broken leg. He is hanging out at a tire shop on the north side. I found the dog with a broken leg. He cannot even stand up. I wanted to add that none of this would have happened if it wasn't for a very beautiful angel named Birdie Abrego. I would have never known about Wyatt, had she not reached out to me. He was unable to move around and he was freezing over by the gate. His face is all swollen, probably from dog bites. He's in a lot of pain. It'll be in the 30s tonight. I can't imagine the torture if he was still out here. I will definitely need some help. I'm not sure what to do yet. I don't think he's felt this safe and comfortable in a really long time, if ever. His poor leg is just dangling. We are at the vet right now. They just took him to the back, and he went into his crate so eagerly. He's all snuggled up in a big blanket. He feels so safe and content. He'll have some pain meds tonight and the doctor will look at him in the morning. Even after all of the trauma he's been through, and all the pain he is in, he encountered another dog in the lobby and just wags his tail.
I think your dog is concerned.
He was also super loving to all humans. Please support Alaina Rosenblatt and follow the Facebook link for Wyatt updates.